Next question, simplify. Simplify means before question add the rational number, subtract the rational number. Here addition and subtraction also both coming. So first one, 2 by 10 plus 8 by 5 plus minus 1 by 5. Now denominator different. You take LCM. Take LCM of 10, 5 and 5. 10, 5 and 5 equal to. Here 2 divide here 5, 5, 5. Next one 5. 1, 1, 1. Therefore 2 into 5. 2 5 is a 10. Here 10 coming. So now LCM is 10. First one 2 by 3. Yeah. 2 by 10. Here 2 by 10 first you take it 2 by 10. Here LCM is 10. 10 into what number you multiply 10 coming? 1. 10 ones are 10. 2 into here also 1. 2 into 1 2. Next one 8 by 5. Here LCM is 10. 5 into what number multiply 10 coming? 2. 5 2s are 10. Here also 2. 8 2s are 16. Next minus 1 by 5. Here LCM 10. 5 into here also 2. 5 2s are 10. Here 2. 1 2s are 2. Here minus, here plus. So minus into plus, minus. Here 2 by 10, 16 by 10, minus 2 by 10 having. This one added 2 by 10 plus 8 by 5 plus minus 1 by 5. First one 2 by 10 plus 16 by 10 plus minus 2 by 10. Here denominator same, 10 only put. 2 plus 16 plus into minus, minus, so minus 2. Here plus 2 having, here minus 2 having, so this one cancel. Next is 16 by 10 only having. This one 16 by 10. This one is short, both divided by 2 divide 2. 2 how many times are 16? 8. Here 5. So 8 by 5. This is first one answer. Next one B question. 2 by 5 minus 4 by 15 minus 3 1 by 20. Here 2 by 5. This one mixed fraction having. In minus of 4 by 15 minus 3 1 by 20. Here also mixed fraction. This minus inside taken go. This one 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 by 5. Next minus of 4 by 15 minus this one mixed fraction it change it to improper. 23s are 60. 60 plus 1 61 by 20. Now this minus taken go inside. 12 by 5 minus here plus, minus into plus, minus 4 by 15 minus into here minus, so that one plus 61 by 20. 12 by 5 minus 4 by 15 plus 61 by 20. Now denominator different. You take LCM. Take LCM of 5, 15 and 20. First you take 2, 5, 15, 10. Next one 2, 5, 15, 5. Next one 5 take 1, 3, 1. Next one 3, 1, 1, 1. Therefore 2 into 5 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. So here LCM is 60 coming. So first one 12 by 5. Here 5 into what number here multiply 60 coming. 5 12s are 60. Here also 12. So now 12 into 12 144. Next one. What coming? Minus 4 by 15. Minus 4, 15. Yes, 60. What number you multiply 60 coming? 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. Here 4. Here also 4. 4 fours are 16. Here minus. Next. 61 by 20. Into what number multiply 60 coming? 23 is 60. Here also 3 put. 3 into 1, 3. 3 6 are 18. So 183. Now denominator same. So we add it. 12 by 5 minus 4 by 15 plus 61 by 20. This one right, 144 divided 60 minus 16 by 60 plus 183 divided 60. Now 144 denominator 60 same minus 16 plus 183. Now here 2 positive value, here 1 negative value. So positive value we add it. 144, 183. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 8, 12. Remainder 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 327. Minus 16 by 60. Here minus 16 having. This one minus 6. 3 2 7 minus 16. 7 minus 6 1. 2 minus 1. Here 3. So total 311. 311 divide 60. So this is for this simplified answer. Next one, multiply. 3 into minus 9 by 13. Second one, 10 by 11 into 7 by 5 into 3 by minus 15. See, minus 22 by 35 into 7 by minus 52 into 13 by minus 11. So answer, find out the answer now. A. 3 into minus 9 by 13. This one directly multiply. 3 into minus 9 divide 13. 3 9s are 27. Here minus. So minus 27 divide 30. That's all. Next will be 10 by 11 into 7 by 5 into 3 by minus 15. So this way coming. 10 into 7 into 3 divide 11 into 5 into minus 15. Now this 3, how many times in 15? 5 times. So this one 5, how many times? 10. 2 times. So here 2 into 7 divide. Here 11 into, here minus 7. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Now this one multiply. 2 7s are 14. 11 into 5, 55. Minus. So how to write this one? Minus 14 divide, minus 14 divide 55. Next one, C question. Minus 22 divide 35 into 7 by minus 52 into 13 divide minus 11. So this one minus 22 into 7 into 13 divide 35 into minus 52 into minus 11. So this one 7, how many times? 35. 5 times. This one 13, how many times are? 52. 4 times. Here minus, so minus 4. This one minus, cancel. 11, how many times? 22, 2 times. So 2, here any number having? No, 2 only. Divide, here 5. Into here minus 4. This 2, how many times of? 4. 2 times. Here 1 only having. 1 by 5 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10. Here minus. So 1 by minus 10. This one how to write? Minus 1 by 10 only write it. So this one again I will say 7 in 35 5 times having, 13 in 52 4 times, 11 in 22 2 times. Here minus cancel, here only minus having. So here 2 having, 5 into minus 4. 2 how many are 4 in 2 times. Here 2, 5 2s are 10. Here minus, so 5 2s are minus 10, minus 1 by 10. This is for the multiplication of rational numbers. Next one, divide. A minus 4 by 5 divide 12. B 6 1 by 2 divide minus 3 1 by 5. Here mixed fraction of it. So here minus 4 divide 2 by 3. Find out the answer. Minus 4 by 5 divide 12. Minus 4 by 5. Here divide 12 having. You take it reciprocal. You reciprocal take it, divide and change it, multiply. 12, 1 by 12 having. So now 4 how many are 12? 3 times. You write it. Here minus 1 having. Minus 1 into 1 divide 5 into 3. This one minus 1, 5 3s are 15. Second one, B. 6 1 by 2 divide minus 3 1 by 5. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 divide 2 divide 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So minus 16 divide 5. Here minus 5. So this one you take reciprocal. 13 divide 2. Reciprocal change here multiplication. 5 by minus 16. Now 16 by 5, 5 by 16. This one multiply. 13 into 5 divide 2 into minus 16. 13 into 5. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 5 1s are 5. 1 6. 65 divide here 2 into 16. 32. here minus, so minus 65 divide minus 32. This one write it, minus 65 divide 32 only. Next third one, minus 4 divide 2 by 3. This one minus 4. This 2 by 3 take it reciprocal. 2 by 3, 3 by 2. This 2, how many times in 4? 2 times. So here minus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Here minus. So minus 6. This is for divide of rational numbers. Next one, simplify. Before question, multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both are coming. First one, 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 divide 4 by 9. Here 2 multiply having, here divide having. This one you take it reciprocal. 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. This one reciprocal take it multiplication. 4 by 9, 9 by 4. Okay. This one 2 into 5 into 9 divide 3 into 7 into 4. Now here 2 into 5 into 9 having divide 3 into 7 into 4 having. 2 how many times are 4? 2 times. 3 how many times in 9? 3 times. So 5 into 3, 7 into 2. 5 3s are 15. Divide 7 2s are 14. So this one 15 divide 14. This is A answer. Next one B. 4 by 7 into minus 1 by 3. Divide 2 by 3 divide 8 by 9. So this one 4 by 7 into minus 1 by 3 divide 2 by 3 divide 8 by 9 having. So this one multiplication, we directly multiply 4 into minus 1 divide 7 into 3. Here divide 2 by 3. This one 2 by 3. You take it reciprocal. This one multiply 9 by 8. Okay. 4 into minus 1, 7 into 3. Here multiplication happen. Here divide. Division, same division, right? Here 2 by 3, here divide. We take reciprocal. Multiplication. 8 by 9, 9 by 8. 4 ones are 4. Here minus, so minus. 7 3s are 21. Divide. This one 2 by 3. 2 how many times are 4? 8 4 times. 3 in 9. 3 times. So here 3, here 4. Divide 3 by 4. Now we take it reciprocal. Minus 4 by 21. Multiplication 4 divide 3. 3 by 4 how to write? 4 by 3. This one multiply. 4 4s are 16. Here minus. 21 3s are 63. So this is the answer.